Hello, everyone. I would like to show you about the image change under the water. This is how to make series. Please prepare a translate back with a pencil, a pen, and paper. Draw your favorite illustration on the cardboard.
Next, draw another different illustration on the back. Put the cardboard in the bag. Immerse them in the water. Then notice the magical changes.
What's in the box? There are 3 cakes in it. Looks interesting, isn't it? It uses the concept of light reflection and refraction. Try it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye!